Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to remove your bank account from PhonePe. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open PhonePe application on your phone. Then you want to go and open the home menu as you can see. Then you want to go and click on your profile picture on the top left side. And after that, here as you can see, you have the manage payments. Just click on it. Once you go to manage payments, here it will redirect you to this page. Now go scroll down till you find your UPI bank accounts. Just tap on it. And after that, here you can see all your accounts that are actually attached to your PhonePe. Now I'm going to select any one of these accounts. Let's say this one, for example. Then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom till I get here this option, unlink bank account. Just click on it, then click on delete. And you need to know that this account shouldn't be on the auto pay. So if this account is on any auto pay service, this might alter your deletion of this account and you cannot actually delete this account. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.